Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well during this tough time. This is Munirul Islam and today I'm gonna show you how to create a new project solution in Visual Studio 2010, and also I will discussing about a debugging section in each and every line. So let's get started. So I hope you guys are already installed Visual Studio any version and already set up following the instruction given to our lecturer. So before creating or opening a new project solution, we need a basically project template. So we have already a lot more project template or original project templates. So if you go Windows C and then click Irvine, and there have example, click example and choose chapter 3. You can say a project. This is our project template. So this original project template. Now you can just copy this project, copy and move your desktop section and then paste here, paste. So now you can rename any name. Suppose I'm gonna explain about our lab 2 question 1. So lab 2 question 1 done. So now I'm going to open my Visual Studio 2010, and then this is our Visual Studio 2010. So now click File, then open a project solution, then choose your laptop question 1, and this is you already save your project. Now just click your project solution SLN file, double click, and now you can find a solution explorer. If you didn't see this tab, you can create by clicking view solution explorer. Okay, now you just double click project and then again double click main.sm. So here you can see this our project template, which we already copy for our main project template. Now we can rewrite any code in here. So now you just open your lab 2 question, which already given to our lecturer, and you can find the question 1. So here you can see a demo code already given. So we just copy and paste in our template. So just copy and paste. So so here you can see this is a description. So you can comment by using semicolon. So you can write lab 2 question 1 and the date, you can write 15/4/2020. So this is our header file, include irvine32.king, and now this is our data segment. Here you can see there are two variable, variable 1 and variable 2, which already assigned the value 1 and 9 decimal, and this word, this is 16 bits register. And now you can see dot code main proc. This section just usually for processing part. So here you can see the move, exchange and function. So in this lab 2 you will be find move already explained in our chapter 3. So in chapter 4 or lab 2 you can find multiplication, division, and then increment, decrement, exchange, for example. Okay, now I will explain every line. So in line 1 you can see move ax variable 1. That means the value of variable 1 move to the register ax. In line 3 the value of variable 2, which is 9 decimal, move to the register ax. So in line 3 you can see the exchange, a new function exchange ax comma bx, that indicates the value of register bx move to the value of register ax, and the value of the register ax will move to the register bx. So in line 4 you can see the move variable 1 and ax, which is variable 1 is memory and ax is register, which is 16 bits. So this is like previous explanation, the value of register ax move to the variable 1, and in line 5 move variable 2 comma bx, that indicates the value of register bx will move to the variable 2. And the last call dump register and exit, and you have to write the appropriate code in this template, whether you edit or copy. So now we will check and we try to build our code. So just before build we have to save our editing. Just save main.asm, so our template will automatically write and save the new code. And then I will try to build, then click build project. Okay, so our code all okay and our project already successfully built. Or sometimes it happens 0 succeed 1 failed, so don't worry, try to focus on your code, appropriate code, or you can click again, you can rebuild project, so that will succeed, 1 succeed and 0 fail. So now I will move on our debugging part. So just click debugging. So before, first of all, you can find your main outputs by using start without debugging. This is our program outputs. So and then I will move our main section. So we need the output for each and every line. So just click debug, debug, and then click step into F11, click, and then you can see there have already four pop-up window already open in my background. One is register, this autos, watch 1, memory 1, or you can set up a separate pop-up. This is for watch 1 and this is for autos. Okay, and this is our solution explorer, which I already explained. So this is the 4 part. So here you can find register, memory 1, autos, and watch 1. Now we want to run our line 1, so we want to show the output for line 1. Okay, so just click debug and then click step into F11. Now you can see the arrow which is called PC, program counter, moved to the line 2. That means line 1 debugging already finished. So now the output, we can see the output here for line 1 EAX, that means the value of AX here 0001, the last 4 digit, the value of AX. So the variable 1, so we need to the value of variable 1. Here you can find the value of variable 1, or you can search in here watch 1, just write BAR1 and enter. The value of variable 1 is 0001. So the value of variable 1 and the value of AX are equal as we using move function. So this is our line 1 explanation. And for line 2, so now we will try to run our line 2. Just click debug and then click a step into F11. So you can see our PC now moved in the 3rd line, that means line 2 already completed. So the output is for line 2 is you can see the EX and EBX. So in line 2 we perform for move BX and variable 2. So the value of BX you can find here EBX, that means BX is last 4 digit 009. So the value of BX 009, that means the value of variable 2 is 0009. That means you can find here the value of variable 2 is 009. So you can search here BAR2, enter, is the 0009, last 4 digit from here. So this is our memory. Okay, now I will run in for line 3. So again click debug, choose step into. So the line 3 debugging already completed. This is the exchange function for AX and BX. You can exchange memory into register or register into memory or register into register, but you can't exchange memory into memory. It will show the error. So in line 3, the output for AX and BX we can find here. For in EX and EBX, here the last 4 digit output for AX and the last 4 digit output for BEX. So this is the most important part in answering our lab 2 question. The focus on for each part. So watch 1, you can search a variable or memory name and then find the value, and the autos will automatically show your value AX and BX. Here 009 0009 and BX, the value of BX 0001, and this is the memory address. So now I will perform for line 4. So click again debug and then choose step into F11. So now you can see our PC already moved in line 5. That means line 4 debugging already completed. So the output for line 4, we need the value of AX and variable 1. So in the value of AX here 0009, so the value of AX 009009 and the value of variable 1 is 0009, or you can search by using again bar1 for new variable. The new value of variable 1 is 0009. Okay, now I will move in line 5. So again check debug and then click step into F11. So our line 5 debugging already completed. So the output for line 5, we need the value of BX and variable 2. So the value of BX here we can find 0001, or you can here search the value of BX. Just write BX and then click is 0001. So the value of BX is 0001, last 4 digit, and the similar. So and the value of variable 2, or you can write again bar2 variable 2 and find the similar value 0001, because this is more function. So our line 5 already finished. So now this is my part for register, memory 1, autos and watch 1. So I just clicking here using debug step into F11, or you can open register, memory 1, autos, watch 1 by clicking debug, choose Windows, and here you can find watch 1 and autos and also memory and then register. Just click and the window will open in your interface. So after finishing that, you just choose debug and then now step out. That means your all extra pop-up window will remove from your background. Okay, now this is starting from the beginning. Okay, and after finishing your project, just click file and close solution.